My lips are crusty.
Oh no!
Oh, it's green. What is that? Ooh. Good God, man! Good God. We're gonna order some cheese fries. Number 1. First and foremost.
Do you want to share a sandwich and them cheese fries?
Yeah. The cheese steak.
They got one on there? Yeah. Served with sauteed onions, provolone cheese, and Italian-style hoagie roll, peppers and mushrooms. They open at 11. Y'all just open. Please answer me. I'm hungry.
Do we need to drive by there and show them who's boss? Do we need to confront them? We'll hit y'all up when we get some food or figure out something. I don't know what's gonna happen.
The gridiron was closed, so now we're going to Jefferson's. He does not care. He's actually right there. God. Okay. We're here. We're at Jefferson's.
Yeah, gridiron was closed. We just ordered their cheesy fries. These are good. We'll make friends with that bird one day.
I'm already full, and our fucking food ain't getting out of it. I gotta stop. This is good though.
Philly cheesesteak came out.
And the mac and cheese.
Yes.
Yes.
Y'all enjoy.
Thank you.
She gave us a brand new paper towel. I wonder if that's ours. Can we do it ours? No. Okay, we're gonna try this without the A1.
I can smell that beans and like
There's a lot.
my eyes are fucking already screaming. Food was good.
Full as hell. I'm about to throw up.
Yeah. We're going to the beauty mark right now. I got a jet black.
Okay, that's enough.
That was loud.
We've already found a bunch of stuff. These right here are lifesavers.
We love these, and we just found out they had different like flavors.
Scents and stuff. And then we got some of this because my hair is thin and it needs a little help. And there's a little leave-in conditioner with the black castor oil in it.
Oh, and these emery boards are good, 99 cents. And they have all these hair colors.
And they're by Kiss, and Kiss is not a bad thing. I gotta stop because I don't need to lay down my hair. I already messed up my hair. These are long. Those are a lot longer than the ones that we did.
Oh, Zoe, look at this one.
That's pretty. Oh, that's fine. Thank you.
He winked at us though.
Oh! We're stuck on the bridge. There's a lot of traffic. I hate bridges. There's too much weight on this bridge. And it's shaking. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. There's so many 18-wheelers on this bridge right now. There's no way this bridge can hold this much weight. None.
We're in TJ Maxx. I mean, we're going
We're
in,
not in TJ.
we're going to TJ Maxx. I don't have my mask. I'm not in there yet. Please don't fire me.
I need my purse.
You're wearing my mask.
Thank you.
What the f?
That's the little purse play.
Oh.
Look how cute that is. Is that not the cutest you think? Oh my god. Oh. Look at this coat though.
Donkey.
There's a juicy couture. Look at that.
That's cute. I need a little gym purse like that. I love this all. They always got some good stuff. I love these. Zoe, did you see this? She is thick. Like, look at her foot. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, stop.
From her bun to her toes.
Alyssa.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my god. Stop. Pumpkin coconut. They've already got their fall candles out. Smell it. It's pumpkin coconut. Oh my god. Cinnamon apple and oats? Alyssa, I'm fucking. This is what my house better smell like. Smell this shit. Can you smell it?
Yeah, I can't through the mask. You're the one with your mask down. Giving corona to the candles. Oh my god. If I was a Karen.
Oh my god. Oh, that was good.
It is good.
White rose?
That is good.
Ooh.
Oh.
I can't. I'll drop $100 on candles. I will do that.
Look at these shorts. The sports bra and the shorts would be cute together. Is this girl okay?
I don't know.
Zoe just found on the go waist pack.
Because I'm finna start running. I need that for my waist. I got a pair of leggings I could put these. It's got a slit. It's not what y'all think it is. They play this shit at work. This shit get under my skin. Why you gotta sing like that? Why can't you just Ariana Grande that shit? Why you gotta go all out like that? Nobody cares.
Is that a thing from SpongeBob? What is it? You know what I'm talking about?
From the Smurfs? Or from the Snorkels? What are you talking about? You know what I'm talking about?
I just want to buy all these dog toys.
Alright.
Look at this. Zoe, she would have a fit.
Yeah, she would.
Oh my god. Look, Pippi would have loved that.
She would have loved these. She was spoiled rotten.
She was a princess.
She was an absolute queen.
They got Nerf ball guns.
These are small.
Zoe, it's $5.99. It's Champion.
It's cute.
How much is it?
that one?
Oh, that ain't bad.
We had to go by Jack's. We didn't have to, but we got a Caramelized coffee. Where'd that walk go behind us?
Hey, Turner.
Oh.
Hey, she.
I thought they said, and Mary Poppins up in the air.
They tried.